Okay, this will be trade recap and current market execution for me, 2-in-1. Um, so coming to the market, as I saw, the market was trending upwards. We were going back to this balanced area that I was interested in taking shorts because I thought there was a naked POC. This first red line here, which I'm pretty sure is a naked POC. Um, so I waited for uh a better test here, or I mean, to take this high out and enter in through more of like a spike like this down compared to this. Chop up a bit, spike up, send it down, just like that. That's what I was kind of waiting for in terms of movement. Uh, didn't go all the way through. I was planning to go all the way to the other side of DVA VWAP. Um, and it ended up at, I think I pulled out with 1.2k profit on the short, and then I got tagged out. I should probably delete this. I got tagged out around here, and then I re-entered off of the same place, similar place. So I thought I'd go down lower to it, but I did switch my short bias, or I guess I shouldn't be married to one singular bias. I should have a hypos for both long and short, but for me, I was really, really looking to take this short all the way through DVA. Sadly, not walked out with partial profits, but green nonetheless. And then tried to re-enter because I thought I'd find deliver throughout. Nope, ended up break even on this, so not too mad about that. Uh, Now I am in longs, and for that it is because we are constantly wicking over here in this area, this balanced area before this big breakout or break upwards. Um, this is confluent with the value area low of this mini range, mini balanced range, and we are also at previous quarter VWAP, this red line here. So what I did was I waited for a bit of absorption or buying aggression, as shown by CBD. We can see how um, sellers tried to sell really hard here again, end up wicking pretty big here, followed up by immediate buying aggression. So I'm thinking there must be trap sellers here. I don't have a toss anymore with big trades to see that, but I'm guessing there's a bunch of trapped sellers here, especially coming from this uh, big momentum here. I'm thinking there's a bunch of trap sellers, so I switched over to a long bias, which right now is working out for me pretty well, I think. Yeah, we're up 500. Same. I guess I didn't go over this with my initial short. Um, what I did was I entered with one micro initially here, and then I had multiple 1 micro, 1 micro, 1 micro sort of leading up. So as long as I was getting proved right, it would continue adding on to my position, and then I constantly moved the stop loss. Like I was really aggressive with it, making sure I'm at least break even as my position got bigger. And then here, this is where we had a mini balanced area. This is where I was interested in seeing it break right through, which it did. And this is where I had like 5 or 6 micros lined up. And then as soon as we broke, I would have been comfortable with uh, that much bigger of a positioning because we broke through value area low, POC of this mini range. We're breaking into value area of developing, and we're breaking through previous week's value area low. So that's why I was really interested in upping my positioning upon breaking this like zone here. And then yeah, so same principle here. I entered with like 1 micro, had some buy stops leading up, but then majority of my position again was here because I wanted to see that if we did break back into this 2-day composite, I guess, yeah, 2-day composite 2.5, uh, that we that I enter with some size and have some, big numbers coming into it. Right now we are seeing some resistance because we are at deviation. Oh, that's a pretty bad reaction. Um, let's see how my position's going. 300. Okay. What are we at? We are at 9. Move that to break even. So yeah, that is my current market execution. I am hoping for longs here. Hopefully back to at least to this range here, or at least POC and whatnot. Yeah, this is a pretty good place to be putting longs, I think. Lots of absorptions and whatnot. So if I do get tagged out here at break even, I will long again if we do enter the zone at the VWAP level in previous quarter. But as of right now, I hope we do end up traversing. Oh, I don't know what we just did. Traversing the rest of this 2-day here. So yeah, that is my journal entry.